Alright, I'm going to do a review of the Alcove Canvas Folding Cot. I got this from Fingerhut. Here's the item description on the box. Came in a nice big box, wasn't too heavy. So let's open it up and see what we got. So here's what it looks like out of the box. Fold up bed, it comes with the mattress. It's wrapped pretty good, steel cage. Said it comes with some wheels and it comes with, a wrench and a little bit of hardware. So now I'm gonna open the box and see what we take the packaging off and lay it out and see what we got. Alright, so here's the bed. It works fine for my needs. It fits. I can lay it all the way out, still push my little music stuff back, have some room, to stretch out a little bit, watch TV, whatever, you know what I'm saying? And this is just my man cave. When I get tired of, practicing on the guitar or whatever, I can just lay back for a second and, shut my eyes for a minute and then catch the vibe, or play some of my music while I lay here and see if it sounds right, and then go back and edit it or whatever. So that's what I bought it for, and eventually I'm going to put some more paneling up on the wall. I've already done some. Alright, so yeah, so basically that's pretty much it. That's what I intended it for. It's pretty comfortable, more comfortable than I expected. It's a little low when you try to get out of it, but other than that, it works great. I'm happy with it. Like I said, for my man cave, it works well, and I'm finishing up my paneling and stuff like that, and it's going to be real nice when I get done. But as far as the bed goes, it's a little expensive, but if you need something for your man cave, a visitor, whatever the case may be, something like what I'm doing, I would recommend it. It's new. It's not like you're going to like a thrift store or something, getting something, especially nowadays, that you don't know what you're getting. So, I'm 5'8", so I stretch out on it good, and it works for what I intended for. So that's it.